Hi, I'm Claire and I'm here to give you a tour of the northern Tasmanian town of Lilydale and its surrounds, a place that should be on top of your list. Lilydale is just a 20-minute drive from Launceston. It's one of the state's hidden gems and the perfect destination for a weekend away. Lilydale is nestled at the foot of majestic Mount Arthur, surrounded on all sides by tall timbers, secret mountain creeks, hints of history, and a patchwork of lush farming homesteads. There are some fantastic accommodation options which take full advantage of the picturesque rural setting, allowing you to drink in the valley views, unwind with a book, or even take a cheeky dip in total privacy. The town is home to some amazing primary producers who supply some of Tasmania's best-known restaurants. Many operate paddock-to-plate farm shops, so you can sample the wares firsthand. If you're keen to get back to nature, you can explore some of Lilydale's natural beauty with a short walk through the ferns and moss-covered trees to stunning Lilydale Falls, a series of cascading falls that provide some fantastic photo opportunities. But if it takes more than that to get your blood pumping, you can fly through the treetops at Hollybank and get a spectacular bird's-eye view of the forest below. After that, you can visit some of the region's world-famous wineries, where you can toast a weekend well spent in Tasmania's pure air and pristine environment. So there you have it, more than a few reasons to visit Lilydale, a town at the top of Tasmania with beauty, delicacies and adventure to boot.